So before starting, we have a poll for you guys to understand what sort of audience we are having today on our webinar. So that will help us better understand how we should pitch on to this webinar and what should be the flow of this webinar. So I'm launching a question for you guys just for 2 minutes. I recommend everyone and to just choose an option which is appropriate for you guys. So here's the question for you. So anyone who is typing onto the question section, I recommend you guys to just fill out the poll form. Don't write it in the question section. Thank you. Again, I'm repeating, guys, don't fill out the question form instead of poll. So recommend you guys to just fill out the poll because that will help us better understand what sort of audience are attending our webinar and will take a pitch accordingly. I can see like you can't choose multiple options. Yes, of course. The reason being we need to bifurcate the things. So it's okay, like you choose the best appropriate option for you. If you're a web developer and a web hoster too, so the primarily business you focus on, you can choose that one. I can see 90% plus people have already voted for this question. Just waiting like 7% more people to just vote on this. So we'll be sharply starting at 4:10. So guys, I'm closing this poll for you so that you can see my screen. So the result of the poll is something 42% are software and web developers, approximately 30% are web hosters, and that IT consultants, system integrators, and very few are others. So we believe like we are targeting the right audience to this webinars because it's primarily focused on system integrators, web developers, hosters, and IT consultants only. So very few 6% of them are from the other industry. So I guess that will be helpful for you as well. So I'll share the poll with you as well. So I have already shared the poll results with you guys. Okay guys, as committed, it's 4:10. Let's start off with the webinar. So welcome you all guys again to the webinar on how to sell cloud and where is your profit. It will be an open house webinar where I, Danish Vadva, who heads sales and operations here at ZNet, and I have with me Munish and Bhupender. Munish, who is the founder and CEO of ZNet Technologies and has over 15 years of expertise in the cloud, data center and hosting industry. He's founded ZNet Live in 2011. On the other hand, we have Bhupender, who is a technical head here at ZNet, a strategic thinker. Bhupender is an IT professional and is into an IT over a decade now. In this webinar, we will be leverage his expertise to explain the complex technical queries in simple and easy manner. So I guess both of the giants will help you guys understand the cloud market and how to take this forward. So, hello Munish, welcome you here at the webinar.
Hello everybody.
Hi Bhupender.
Welcome to our webinar.
Hi Bhupender, welcome you to the webinar.
Hello Danish, hello everyone and welcome to our webinar.
Thank you guys. So let's kickstart the webinar. So I'll heading towards the next slides. So seeking your helps in middle. Okay. So first of all, before starting, here is a quick rewind back to your valuable suggestions after the last webinar, which we have conducted on 12th February and 4th March of 2016. So here are your suggestions and we're working across onto it. Keep an open house discussion. So many of them have asked us to keep an open house discussion. So this time this webinar will be an open house discussion where we will be dividing a time of 20 to 25 minutes into a presentation and 20 to 25 minutes into a open discussion, which we guys will be doing on to your direct questions. Second opinion and the suggestion we got from the recent attendees is you did it in English. We recently did all the webinars in English. We want it in Hindi. The people says you did it in English. We want it in Hindi. So this time we have decided let's do it in English. तो इस बार हम वेबिनार को हिंदी और इंग्लिश मिक्स में रखेंगे जिसमें आप सबको समझने में आसानी हो और हम रियल वैल्यूज पास कर पाए आपको. Third suggestion which we have got is give a solution for a technical complexities. So for this we have Bhupender on the webinar who will be helping you out on this. Fourth is show me how to sell cloud. This is the foremost biggest question we got from the recent suggestion. So none other than Munish can help you out in how to sell the cloud better way, right? Because he has been doing in past 15 years the same thing. So this time we will discuss exactly what you want, not actually what we want to tell you out. So we have divided into 6 sections where why you need to move towards the cloud, what आपकी requirement क्यों है, आपको cloud में move क्यों करना है, problems that your customer face, आपके customers actual में problems क्या क्या face करते हैं, because the biggest problem, the challenge you solve, the biggest money you earn. Then solutions for your customers problem, challenges that you face in selling cloud, then solution to your challenges in place, the path to success with cloud, आप cloud के साथ success कैसे हो सकते हैं. So why do IT providers, system integrators, software and hardware resellers, web hosters, web designers, software development companies need to start selling cloud? The reason is there is a big opportunity out there which we are missing or which we are not aware of exactly. So we'll try to understand what is the biggest opportunity for you guys. The opportunity to tap in the mega opportunity of $180 billion presence out in the global cloud market. So ये $180 billion की इतनी बड़ी opportunity है जो हम लोग शायद होते हुए भी देख नहीं पा रहे हैं. तो इसको कैसे टैप करेंगे हम? To be a part of a transformation that cloud has brought in the IT industry. ये क्लाउड ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन जो आईटी इंडस्ट्री में हुआ है, इसको हम कैसे अपने अंदर डाइजेस्ट करेंगे और कैसे इसको अपना एक सेलिंग मॉडल बना के इसके अंदर हम मोनेटाइज कर सकते हैं. सो वी हैव सम स्टैट्स ओवर हियर फॉर यू गाइस, so which have been taken from an Odin report. So we have divided into a 4 segment. First is infrastructure as a service, which has a very huge market of $56 billion by 2018, which is really a huge market. तो इस मार्केट को टैप करने के लिए आपको क्या क्या करना पड़ेगा, विल टेक थ्रू द कंप्लीट प्रेजेंटेशन इन प्लेस. And infrastructure and service products are included something like VPS, dedicated service at extra. Then second, we have a web presence which have a opportunity of $25 billion by 2018, which includes your website development at extra. Then we have a unified communications which have a market of approximately $29 billion by 2018, which includes your email solutions and communication solutions. Then we have a business application which have a market of around $48.3 billion by 2018, which includes CRM or ERP software at extra. So let's move to an actual scenario. What are the problems your customers are searching solutions for? So I guess none other than Munish can help us out understand कि इससे अच्छा सॉल्यूशन क्या हो सकता है कि हम अपने कस्टमर्स की जो प्रॉब्लम है वो फेस कर रहे हैं और उनको सॉल्यूशन दें. सो आई विल हैंड ओवर टू मुनीश ऑन दिस. मुनीश, आई नीड योर ओपिनियन कि कस्टमर्स जो जो प्रॉब्लम्स फेस करते हैं और उनको क्या एग्जैक्टली सॉल्यूशन क्या पिच किया जाए कि जिससे रेवेन्यू भी बढ़े और मार्केट के अंदर वैल्यू भी बढ़े.
Yes, thank you, Danish. Can you move on the next slide, please?
Yeah, please, for sure.
Actually, I met with a few partners. I mean, few partners in last few months. So I got to know there are some problems actually their customer is facing or their customer is asking the solution. So उनमें कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स को हम लोगों ने आइडेंटिफाई किया है कि पार्टनर्स यदि किसी कस्टमर्स के पास में जाते हैं तो वो क्या प्रॉब्लम लेके पार्टनर के पास में आते हैं या सर्विस प्रोवाइडर से पूछते हैं कि दीज आर द प्रॉब्लम, आई वांट द सॉल्यूशन. तो कुछ सर्वे के हिसाब से कुछ हम लोगों ने मीटिंग्स की है, उसके हिसाब से जो हमको फीडबैक मिला है उसमें सबसे पहले है फ्रीक्वेंट डाउन टाइम. कस्टमर बोलता है कि मेरा बहुत ज़्यादा डाउन टाइम होता है, मेरे को अप टाइम की रिक्वायरमेंट बहुत ज़्यादा होती है. दूसरा सॉल्यूशन, दूसरा जो प्रॉब्लम उनका होता है कि कम्युनिकेशन, ईमेल कम्युनिकेशन इशू होता है. लाइक they want uptime and email, and there are some problem like antivirus problem, anti-spam problem, spam and virus problems. और इसके अलावा डेटा ईमेल स्टोरेज प्रॉब्लम. और इसके अलावा यदि हम लोग और एक्सटेंडली बात करते हैं तो email anywhere problem, like the synchronization problem, like यदि कस्टमर ट्रेवलिंग पे है या like यदि मैं अपनी बात करता हूँ तो मैं 50% केस में यदि मैं ट्रेवलिंग पे रहता हूँ और मेरे को यदि ईमेल चेक करना होता है मोबाइल पे, यदि मैंने ईमेल चेक कर लिया है तो मेरे को सेम टाइम पे यदि मैं ट्रेवलिंग के बाद में यदि मैं ऑफिस आता हूँ तो सेम मेरे को सिनेरियो देखना चाहिए मेरे आउटलुक के अंदर. यदि मैं आउटलुक यूज करता हूँ तो दिस इज कॉल्ड ए सिंक्रोनाइजेशन अक्रॉस द डिवाइसेस. तो ये एक कस्टमर्स की, या यदि हम लोग बिजनेस पर्सन की बात करते हैं या बिजनेस लीडर्स की बात करते हैं स्पेशली, तो उनको एक जो रिक्वायरमेंट होती है सिंक्रोनाइजेशन ऑफ द ईमेल, वो सबसे ज्यादा रिक्वायरमेंट होती है। इसके अलावा होता है हमारा पर्सनल डेटा बैकअप। कुछ भी डिजास्टर हो सकता है हमारे साथ में, लाइक मेरा लैपटॉप है, मोबाइल है, खो गया, चोरी हो गया या फिर टूट गया, तो वो एक जो डेटा, मेरा जो इम्पोर्टेंट डेटा होता है, उसकी सेफ्टी के लिए या डेटा बैकअप के लिए मेरे को कुछ सॉल्यूशन चाहिए होता है। इसके अलावा हमारा पास में होता है लैक ऑफ फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी एंड स्केलेबिलिटी। यदि इन हाउस कुछ आर्किटेक्चर, इन हाउस यदि मैंने इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डाला हुआ है या मैंने डेटा सेंटर में डाला हुआ है, उसको यदि मुझे स्केल करना है यदि किसी टाइम पे, या मेरी कंपनी बड़ी हो रही है या मेरे टीम साइज बड़ा हो रहा है, तो मुझे हमेशा एक कैपेक्स लगाना पड़ता है, उसके लिए कैपिटल एक्सपेंडिचर मुझे करना होता है। तो अब कैपिटल यदि हम लोग एम्प्लॉय के हिसाब से कैपिटल एक्सपेंडिचर करना यदि हम लोग स्टार्ट कर दिया, तो हमारे कैपेक्स की प्रॉब्लम आ जाती है। तो हम लोग एक लेवल के बाद में हम लोग इसको स्केल नहीं कर पाते हैं चीजों को। और एक फिफ्थ पॉइंट होता है हमारा लैक ऑफ कनेक्टिविटी विद द टीम। यदि मैं ट्रेवलिंग पे हूँ या बिजनेस टूर पे हूँ या कैजुअल यदि मेरी छुट्टी पे हूँ, तो उसके बाद में यदि मुझे कुछ कनेक्टिविटी करनी होती है मेरी टीम के साथ में, तो मेरे को एक टूल चाहिए होता है जिससे मैं उनके साथ में वीडियो चैट, ऑडियो चैट, या फिर मैं देख सकूँ कौन कौन ऑफिस में है, कौन नहीं है, कौन ऑनलाइन है, कौन ऑफलाइन है, मेरी टीम काम कर रही है या नहीं कर रही है, या कुछ प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, उनको कुछ असिस्टेंस की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है, तो एक लाइव इंटरेक्शन की मुझे जरूरत होती है। 6 पॉइंट जो हमको फीडबैक से मिला है कि दे नीड एक्चुअली रिलायबल होस्टिंग infrastructure, because if they are using any ERP or CRM software and they did not getting any uptime, तो they need the uptime on their applications, like on websites or ERP or CRM software or HRMS software. They need the uptime on the software. So they need any reliable hosting infrastructure. So these are the six problems. These are the 6 problems the customer is facing in front of partner or the service providers. So what is the solution? इसका ये सब जो कस्टमर्स की जो प्रॉब्लम आती है, इनका एक्चुअली में सॉल्यूशन क्या है? यदि हम लोग आप लोगों की बात करते हैं, सर्विस प्रोवाइडर्स की बात करते हैं, तो आप क्या सॉल्यूशन है जो उनको ये दे सकते हैं? वो जो 6 प्रॉब्लम्स जो हमारे सामने आई थी, उसमें 90% कवर हो जाती हैं करीब करीब। 10% कुछ ऐसी प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं जो उनकी प्रोप्राइटरी प्रॉब्लम्स होती है, तो एक कस्टमाइज सॉल्यूशन ये उनको फुलफिल कर सकता है, लेकिन 90% बिग परसेंटेज। तो उनका सॉल्यूशन क्या है? एक्चुअली ये जो सारी प्रॉब्लम्स हमने कस्टमर्स की सुनी थी, तो हम ऐसा क्या सॉल्यूशन है जो उन कस्टमर्स को प्रोवाइड कर सकते हैं? सो एक्चुअली जो सॉल्यूशन है हम लोगों ने 4 पार्ट में डिवाइड किया हुआ है, जिसमें हम लोग आप देख रहे होंगे। प्रोडक्टिविटी सॉल्यूशन है, सेकंड इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर एज ए सर्विस है, और थर्ड अपना इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर एज ए सर्विस है। इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर एज ए सर्विस को 2 पार्ट के अंदर डिवाइड किया हुआ है। तो यदि हम लोग प्रोडक्टिविटी सॉल्यूशंस की बात करते हैं, तो इसमें अपने पास में हम जो कस्टमर्स को सॉल्यूशन ऑफर किया जा सकता है, जिसमें ऑफिस 365 है, जिसमें आपको ईमेल प्रॉब्लम्स आपकी सॉर्ट आउट हो जाती हैं, लाइक द कस्टमर विल गेट द 50 GB ऑफ स्टोरेज विद एंटीवायरस, एंटी स्पैम सॉल्यूशन, एंड ActiveSync is the proprietary technology of Microsoft that will actually synchronize the email data across the platform, across the devices. तो जो आपकी ईमेल स्टोरेज की प्रॉब्लम है, या एंटीवायरस एंटी स्पैम की प्रॉब्लम है, या आपका डेटा आपकी स्टोरेज की इशू है, या एक्टिव का इशू है, वो सारी प्रॉब्लम इसके थ्रू सॉर्ट आउट हो जाती है। और कुछ पार्टनर्स की चॉइस होती है कि नहीं, दे वांट टू गो ऑन गूगल एप्स बिकॉज दे डोंट वांट टू यूज any Microsoft technology, or they have any issue in Microsoft technology, then you can offer also Google Apps, or if they have a price concern, then you can also offer the Google Apps. तो सेम जो आपके इश्यूज स्टोरेज या अपटाइम या एंटीवायरस एंटी स्पैम के आते हैं, तो Google Apps के थ्रू भी सॉर्ट आउट किया जा सकता है। इसके अलावा जो हमारे पास में यदि सॉफ्टवेयर एज ए सर्विस की बात करते हैं तो रेकनैप इज ए प्रोप्राइटरी प्रोडक्ट ऑफ जेडनेट, जो कि एक ईआरपी है स्पेशली बिल्ट ऑन क्लाउड सर्विस प्रोवाइडर्स और सब्सक्रिप्शन बेस्ड कंपनीज दे which want to sell their services on subscription basis. So इसके अंदर CRM है, हेल्प डेस्क है, टेक्निकल सपोर्ट या क्लाइंट्स मैनेजमेंट है, बिलिंग मैनेजमेंट या सेल्स मैनेजमेंट, मार्केट प्लेस, ये सारे सॉल्यूशन आप लोग ऑफर कर सकते हो रेकनैप के थ्रू। तो इनफैक्ट आपका यदि इफ यू आर ए सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपर और इफ यू हैव ए प्रोडक्ट योर you built in-house, then you can also offer in bundling with Office 365 or Google Apps product. So आप बंडल कर सकते हैं बेसिकली, जिससे आपकी जो प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी रेशो है वो काफी आपका इंक्रीज हो सकता है। इसके अलावा हम लोग यदि इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर एज ए सर्विस की बात करते हैं तो इसमें दो पार्ट हम लोगों ने दिए हुए हैं, आप देखोगे तो फर्स्ट पार्ट है जिसमें जेडनेट लाइव का अपना खुद का इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है, जो कि हम लोगों ने डिप्लॉयमेंट किया हुआ है। इसमें आप यदि सॉल्यूशन की बात करते हैं तो स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम क्लाउड इंस्टेंस टू डेडिकेटेड सर्वर्स और वर्चुअल प्राइवेट क्लाउड और प्राइवेट क्लाउड, डेडिकेटेड प्राइवेट क्लाउड, ये 4 सॉल्यूशंस आप ऑफर कर सकते हैं क्लाइंट को, जो कि हमारे अभी राइट नाउ वी हैव होस्टेड ऑन दिल्ली एंड मुंबई डेटा सेंटर एंड वी आर आल्सो एक्सपेंडिंग टू 2 or 3 मोर डेटा सेंटर इन द अक्रॉस द कंट्री और ग्लोबली। If you want the global infrastructure, like if you want the dedicated servers or virtual private cloud in Germany or US data center, then we can also do that for you. After that, if your customer want that he only want the AWS or Microsoft Azure data center, then you can also offer them through us, because we are the premium partner of these infrastructure players. So आप मिक्स एंड मैच भी कर सकते हो, एक हाइब्रिड सिनेरियो भी क्रिएट कर सकते हो, लाइक कुछ इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर हमारा जेडनेट का इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर उस पर आप ले सकते हो, और यदि आप स्केल करना है तो आपको माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एज़्योर डेटा सेंटर या फिर आप माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एज़्योर डेटा सेंटर पे आप कर सकते हो एक हाइब्रिड सिनेरियो में। और इसके अलावा हम लोग AWS और सॉफ्टवेयर IBM के हम लोग प्रीमियम पार्टनर्स हैं, तो वो भी हमारे थ्रू आप सेल कर सकते हो। तो एक बॉक्स सॉल्यूशन एक हमारे पास में अवेलेबल है कि एक वी आर वर्किंग लाइक ए मार्केट प्लेस। यदि हमारा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर आपको सेल करना है या माइक्रोसॉफ्ट इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर या अमेजोन या सॉफ्टवेयर आपको सेल करना है, तो आप एक ही प्लेस से आप सेल कर सकते हैं। You want to sell as a solution, not a product, because यदि आप प्रोडक्ट बेचेंगे, यदि हम लोग यदि एज ए प्रोडक्ट बेचेंगे तो एक प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी रेशियो नहीं आएगा, हमको एक सॉल्यूशन की तरह बेचना पड़ेगा, एक बंडलिंग की तरह बेचना पड़ेगा।
मुनीश, थैंक यू फॉर एक्सप्लेनिंग। मतलब ये समझ आ रही है मुझे भी कि आप मतलब क्या बताना चाह रहे हैं इसके अंदर। और बट मेरा एक क्वेश्चन आपसे ये बनता है कि इतना सारा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है, व्हाट इज अ बैकबोन ऑफ इट? मतलब ये बैकएंड पे कैसे वर्कआउट करेगा? बिकॉज सबको ये सामने जाके बताना इट्स वेरी इजी फॉर द पार्टनर, सबके लिए बहुत इजी होगा, ठीक है, बट पार्टनर्स के खुद के क्वेश्चंस जो हम देख रहे हैं वो भी ऐसा आ रहे हैं, और जो मैं पार्टनर्स की तरफ से पूछ रहा हूँ कि ये बैकएंड आर्किटेक्चर या इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर ये कैसा दिखेगा, कैसा होगा, कैसा, बिकॉज बिफोर नोइंग कि ये है क्या, पीपल वॉन्ट बी एबल टू सेल इट फर्दर, तो ये होना बहुत जरूरी है। कैन यू गाइड मोर ऑन दिस?
एब्सोल्युटली। जो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर जो हम लोगों ने बिल्ड किया हुआ है, जिसमें एक रिलायबिलिटी फैक्टर आना चाहिए, या बैकएंड में एक्चुअली में है क्या, हमने क्या डिप्लॉयमेंट किया हुआ है, तो सबसे अच्छा मेरे हिसाब से भूपेंद्र इसको एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि ही इज द टेक्निकल हेड और वो एक बहुत अच्छे से आपको अंडरस्टैंड करा सकते हैं। तो भूपेंद्र, ओवर टू यू, प्लीज कैन यू एक्सप्लेन द आर्किटेक्चर प्लीज?
Thank you, Manish. Hello, everyone. So we are discussing about the infrastructure now. So Danish, could you please
you have
go to the next slide?
You have a control, yeah, man.
Okay, fine. Thank you. So what we are talking about is our own cloud architectures. And before moving to the next slides, I want to tell you, the base of any of the cloud is actually the architecture, how you deployed that particular cloud. तो अगर अपन नेक्स्ट स्लाइड पे मूव करते हैं, so here we are, the fully operational and automated cloud architectures powered by Microsoft Azure. We have deployed it for that for you know our own cloud infrastructure, which actually of the ZNet public cloud, and we're trying to make it very simple. क्योंकि हमारे साथ में सारे partners जुड़े हुए हैं, might be they are not on that technical level, so we are trying hard to make it very simple. इसके लिए अगर आप देखेंगे तो हमने हर चीज का segregation किया है जहाँ पे आपको अच्छे से चीज समझ आए. If you see, we can divide into the two part. One is actually this is the management stack. If you can see the Hyper-V cluster with the complete web stack for the SCOM, and another one is the compute nodes. We are here in the upper segment. If you can see that, and if you come on the rightmost part in the bottom, then you can see the storage one. So when we started about the problem, then the one issue was highlighted was the downtime. So why customer they are facing downtime? जहाँ पे एक single hardware की dependency आ जाती है वहाँ पे downtime face करना पड़ता है. So our own infrastructure, it's completely on the clustered environment. Even if you talk about any of the management stack, any of the compute stack or any of the storage stack or any of the security stack with the firewall or the router deployment, they are multiple. They are if there is any issue with any of the hardware, then no need to worry. Other device is ready to handle the load of that particular device. So there is no any downtime with sort of any of the we can say any of the hardware downtime. You will not face any of the hardware downtime. And with that, if you can see, there is a segregation in between all the communications. राइट में टॉप के ऊपर आप देखेंगे तो हमने नेटवर्क को अलग अलग लेयर्स के अंदर यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट किया है. द ग्रीन वन इज द प्राइवेट. आप देखेंगे पूरा का पूरा जो स्टैक है हमारा ये प्राइवेट नेटवर्क से कनेक्टेड है और वो अपग्रेडेड नेटवर्क है एंड इट्स रनिंग ऑन 10G. तो जो कम्युनिकेशंस रहता है, सपोज आपके जो वर्चुअल मशीन रन करते हैं वो हमारे कंप्यूटर्स पे रन करते हैं, उनका डायरेक्ट मैनेजमेंट के थ्रू रहता है और जो आपका डेटा पूरा का पूरा रहता है वो स्टोरेज क्लस्टर के ऊपर रहता है. तो हाउ वी आर मेंटेनिंग द क्वालिटी ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर VM, हाउ इट परफॉर्म वेल, परफॉर्मेंस के जो भी इश्यूज होते हैं वो आपके इससे सॉल्व हो जाते हैं क्योंकि यहाँ पे किसी भी तरीके का बोटलनेक आपके कस्टमर फेस नहीं करेंगे. इफ दे आर hosted on these compute and they are getting data from these storage, then there is a pipe of 10G which actually more than sufficient for any of the cloud infrastructure for now. And if you talk about the other part, the redundancy we already talked, these all layers, it means if we talk about even the single cable of any of the server, then they are multiple. Even we have more than 4 or 5 NIC on a single server just to maintain the redundancy. तो आपको किसी भी केस के अंदर, किसी भी एक स्विच के केस के अंदर या किसी भी एक रैक के डाउन टाइम के केस के अंदर आपको किसी भी तरीके का डाउन टाइम फेस नहीं होता है. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, नेटवर्क इज ऑलरेडी अपग्रेडेड ऑन 10G and especially the security is the big concern. So we have deployed a firewall with the security team where we are having a strong control over the security, and we have drafted it very well, and these particular infrastructure is behind the firewall and completely secure on that manner. And another part, if we talk about the bottleneck, जहाँ पे performance के issues आते हैं, suppose अपन ने network level के ऊपर ये discuss कर लिया कि network updated है. Other part जहाँ आता है, जहाँ पे qualities matter करती है, वो होता है आपके disk के IOPS, जहाँ पे सबसे ज्यादा इश्यूज आते हैं. सपोज आपकी कोई एप्लीकेशन है जो जिसके ऊपर कोई डेटाबेस या कोई वेब प्लेटफॉर्म पे कुछ ऐसा चल रहा है जहाँ पे उसको ज्यादा IOPS चाहिए. तो हमारा जो स्टोरेज क्लस्टर है ये कॉम्बिनेशन है SAS और SSD का, जिसमें ऑटोमेटिक ऑपरेशनल्स रहते हैं एप्लीकेशंस के बिहेवियर के अकॉर्डिंग. हम इसको क्या करते हैं, यहाँ पे मैनेज करते हैं. किसी एप्लीकेशंस को अगर ज्यादा IOPS चाहिए होते हैं तो वो ऑटोमेटिकली SAS से अपने IOPS लेता है. कोई एप्लीकेशन जिसको वन टाइम के अंदर कम IOPS चाहिए होते हैं वो हमारे SAS से लेता है. तो हमने इसको पर्टिकुलरली इट्स कम्प्लीटली मैनेज एंड ऑपरेशनल ऑटोमेटेड, वेयर you guys are having a good performance into that. Apart from that, जहाँ पे बेसिकली वेब भी एप्लीकेशंस रहती हैं जिनकी स्पेसिफिक रिक्वायरमेंट्स आती हैं, जहाँ पे मल्टीपल ज्यादा हिट्स आते हैं वन टाइम. सो दिस इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर इज कैपेबल टू प्रोवाइड द नेटवर्क लोड बैलेंसर ऑल्सो. So there is no need to add any of the extra hardware. You guys can simply put the VM into that particular our on our public cloud, and we can facilitate the network load balancing. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, ये जितना इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर हमारा ये इंडिया बेस्ड इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है, ये इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर कंप्लीट हमारे दोनों साइट यानी कि हमारी मुंबई और नोएडा दोनों साइट के ऊपर रहती है. तो अगर किसी कस्टमर को DR सॉल्यूशन चाहिए है तो हमारा सॉल्यूशन यानी कि जियोग्राफिकल बेस्ड डीआरबी हम अवेलेबल कराते हैं इसी सिंपल इसी क्लाउड के थ्रू. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, while we are discussing the product of ZNet, there was a product which mentions as virtual private cloud. What is that? That is nothing but here if you can see on the upper side in the Hyper-V cluster there are the compute node. So यहाँ पे हमारे cloud instance बनते हैं जो इन computes को use करते हैं, but some of the customer they want कि उनका compute उनके लिए dedicate रहे. So the management and storage stack would be common, but your compute node will be segregated completely, and then you can connect it with your own infrastructure so that it actually includes into the virtual private cloud. Apart from that, if there is a requirement where you want to have some of your infrastructure on our public cloud and some of your infrastructure on Azure public cloud, then also our team can provide you the facility where you can attach the simply with the public Azure cloud, where the scalability option. Now the other part of problem was the scaling, so you can scale it more on the extent level where on our infrastructure and on the public Azure cloud also. Apart from that, if we talk about the private cloud, so the private cloud deployment, if any of the customer who is asking just to deploy the same sort of stack for him in our premises on their premises, then we have a very good team who has actually originally deployed this particular cloud. So we are open to help you all the partners just to come into the picture and then design the complete cloud as per your requirement from the scratch, and just to जब तक ये आपका लाइव नहीं हो जाता तब तक हमारी टीम आपके साथ में रहेगी और इस कंप्लीट आर्किटेक्चर्स को आपके लिए भी हम डिप्लॉय करके देंगे.
भूपिंदर, सॉरी टू इंटरप्ट यू इन बिटवीन. मैं ये पूछना चाहता हूँ आपसे, जो मुझे लग रहा है कि और पार्टनर्स का भी क्वेश्चन होगा. जनरली एप्लीकेशन का बिहेवियर क्या होता है? स्टार्टिंग में कोई स्टार्टअप होता है, उसकी एप्लीकेशन में क्लिक्स नहीं होते हैं, बहुत ज्यादा ट्रैफिक नहीं होता है, ठीक है, और इंस्टेंटली वो गेन करता है ट्रैफिक आइदर पीआर और किसी एडवर्टीजमेंट सॉर्ट ऑफ जो भी उनकी कैंपेन रहती है, तो एकदम से ट्रैफिक आता है. अब आपने ये बताया कि ये स्केलेबल है क्लाउड, ये कितना टाइम लेता है स्केलेबल होने में? मतलब विल इट टेक 1 दिन लेगा, 2 दिन लेगा, या कुछ घंटों में हो जाएगा? क्या आप इसका शॉर्ट में आंसर दे सकते हैं, बिकॉज वी आर ऑलरेडी रनिंग आउट ऑफ टाइम.
yes Danish, that actually the actual beauty of cloud की बैकएंड में आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा. आपका जिस टाइम के अंदर ट्रैफिक इंक्रीज हो रहा है, इट विल गो इंक्रीज ऑटोमेटिकली. जब इसको लगेगा कि हाँ ट्रैफिक इन कंट्रोल है, वहां पे अपन एक थ्रेशोल्ड लगा सकते हैं. उस थ्रेशोल्ड के बाद में ये वापस से आपको डाउन पे लेके आ जाएगा. एंड पे पर यूजेज, जब आपने हाईएस्ट अमाउंट यूज किया था उसकी सिर्फ आपको बिलिंग उसी टाइम की लगेगी, उसी ड्यूरेशन की लगेगी. सो दैट एक्चुअली द रियल ब्यूटी ऑफ क्लाउड, राइट?
Okay, makes sense. Thank you. So
if you go on the next slide, then we can see what we all have discussed. I can summarize on that. It was about the scaling, it was about the redundancy, it was about the upgraded network we are having on the 10G, it was about the securities, it was of the quality of services where we can have some threshold on the disk or on the other part. It was all about the network load balancing. It was all about the disaster recovery. So this was my part to explain.
Makes sense. To everyone, आप लोगों के अगर कोई भी questions है, because he is the guy who can answer all your technical questions out there. अगर आप लोगों के कोई भी technical question है, be prepared with that, because after the session we have an open house discussion जिसमें भूपेंद्र से आप कुछ भी पूछ सकते हैं on the technical side. Before taking this forward, I have one more poll for you guys to help us out to take this webinar forward. So I'm launching this poll, which will be displayed on your screen now. Okay, so I will give just another like 1 minute for you guys to fill out the form. Can you guys please go ahead? Okay, I can see people are doing that. I'll share the results as well with you. Wow, that's great. Okay, I see. Okay, cool, makes sense. I see. So I can see 58% people have answered, waiting for more to go. I see it's 60. Cool guys, we are waiting for you. I guess this is one of the simplest question for you to answer right now. So you can see 67% people have voted now, 69. Okay guys, last 5 seconds. I'm going to close this poll. Okay, here we go. I'm closing the poll now, right? Thank you. I'll be sharing it right now with you. So I can see the maximum vote which we have got. I've already shared it with you as well, which you can see on your screen, guys. 50% of the people wants to work for Microsoft Azure, 44% on Amazon Web Services, 15% on IBM Software, and 29% approximately on Compute Engine, Google Compute Engine. Okay, I'm hiding this and taking this presentation forward, and thanks for giving your polls on it. Okay, I hope you guys can see my screen right now. So next we move on to the challenges faced by the cloud providers while sending the while selling the cloud. Okay, so we'll discuss about the challenges which you guys as our partners face while selling the cloud. So first is lack of technical knowledge and expertise. बहुत केसेस में ऐसा देखा गया कि मतलब पार्टनर है वो काम करना चाहता है बट उसके पास टेक्निकल नॉलेज नहीं है, उसके पास एक्सपर्टीज नहीं है, उस केस पे वो क्या करे, राइट? सो लैक ऑफ प्रोडक्ट डाइवर्सिटी उसके अंदर आपके पास लिस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स नहीं है, नंबर ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स नहीं है जिससे आप बहुत ज्यादा प्ले कर सकें या आप लोगों को पिच कर सकें उस प्रोडक्ट के बारे में, तो प्रोडक्ट्स मिसिंग है उसके अंदर. नो स्पेशलाइज्ड टीम फॉर क्लाउड. पार्टनर्स के पास स्पेशलाइज्ड टीम नहीं है जो सिर्फ क्लाउड को देखे, क्लाउड को ग्रो करे, स्केल करे. लैक ऑफ ऑनलाइन मार्केटिंग. बहुत केसेस में होता है आपके पास टेक्निकल नॉलेज है, एक्सपर्टीज है, तो आपके पास बेचने का जरिया नहीं है, आपके पास ऑनलाइन मार्केटिंग टीम नहीं है. फिफ्थ वन विच इज द फोरमोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर मी एज वेल, नो प्लेटफॉर्म टू मेंटेन अ क्लाइंट रिलेशनशिप्स. ये सबसे ज्यादा जरूरी है. अगर आपके पास बेस नहीं है, आपको क्लाइंट्स की बिलिंग, टिकट्स, लिस्टिंग आप वो मैनेज नहीं कर सकते क्लाइंट्स, तो आई गेस नो वेयर यू विल बी एबल टू सेल एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ क्लाउड सर्विसेज और एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ अदर प्रोडक्ट्स to your customers. Okay guys, taking it forward, so we have a solution for you guys where it's a two-tier partner model from ZNet Live. We call it as a partner plus one partner program as well. Okay, so we give you a complete solution with bundled with the other products in the plus one partner program, where we give you a white label support from our team, from our technical team. पार्टनर रिसोर्स सेंटर ब्रांडेड विद व्हाइट लेबल कोलेट्रल्स. आपको बने बनाए कोलेट्रल्स मिलेंगे जो आप अपने कस्टमर्स को पास कर सकते हैं इन फॉर्म ऑफ मेलर्स, प्रेजेंटेशंस, पीडीएफ्स एंड अदर प्रिंटेड डॉक्यूमेंट्स अगर आपको चाहिए तो. वी हैव अ रैकनेप पैनल विच इज अगेन एन एंड टू एंड बिजनेस ऑटोमेशन प्लेटफॉर्म. ये प्लेटफॉर्म वो है जो हम खुद इन हाउस यूज कर रहे हैं, और ये प्लेटफॉर्म किसी एजेंसी ने नहीं बनाया है. ये प्लेटफॉर्म इन हाउस बना है एंड इट्स बेसिकली बॉर्न आउट ऑफ अ नीड प्रोडक्ट. ये जिस चीज की जरूरत थी उसको देखते हुए बना है, क्योंकि क्लाउड इंडस्ट्री में जो जरूरत है, जो क्लाउड बेचता है, उससे ज्यादा कोई नहीं समझ सकता. तो ये उन्होंने बनाया है जो क्लाउड को समझते हैं. अ डेडिकेटेड अकाउंट मैनेजर ऑफ कोर्स फॉर योर सेल्स एंड प्री सेल्स टीम, बिकॉज जनरली होता क्या है, व्हेन यू गो टू योर कस्टमर्स तो कस्टमर आस्क फॉर एन आर्किटेक्चर. तो हमें हमारी ये रिक्वायरमेंट है, इसका क्या आर्किटेक्चर रहना चाहिए. सो वी विल गिव यू अ सपोर्ट ऑन अ प्री सेल्स एज वेल, कि जहां पर आपके कस्टमर के साथ बैठ के, आपके साथ बैठ के कस्टमर को समझाया जाएगा कि बॉस ये आपकी रिक्वायरमेंट है, दिस कुड बी अ बेस्ट optimum and low cost solution for you guys, because no one wants to spend more money for the less things. So here are the few of the I'm just speeding up. मैं बहुत जल्दी कर रहा हूँ. उसका रीजन ये है कि we are less of time and we want you to ask questions and we need more discussions on it. Reasons you can rely on us: we are neutral player offering all the cloud services. अभी recently our management has taken a decision, we guys have taken a decision on कि हम सब platform पे काम करेंगे instead of working on the single platform. सो अभी आपने देखा होगा कि हम Office 365 भी दे रहे हैं तो Google Apps में भी दे रहे हैं. ऐसा नहीं है कि वो दिखाने के लिए है. It's all about we are proficient in delivering all those products. Over 100 plus data centers across the globe. We are working with 100 plus data centers across the globe. High configuration servers at low prices. आपको कम प्राइस पे ज्यादा अच्छी कॉन्फ़िगरेशन सर्वर्स मिलेंगे. वी हैव अ सरप्राइज फॉर यू एज वेल. ओके, expert team of a certified cloud engineers with competencies across the platform. तो again same thing, आपको सब प्लेटफॉर्म पे कॉम्पिटेंसी मिलेगी. ऐसा नहीं है सिर्फ माइक्रोसॉफ्ट में मिलेगी, आपको अमेजोन पे भी मिलेगी, आपको गूगल एप्स में भी मिलेगी, आपको ऑफिस 365 में मिलेगी, आपको हमारा पब्लिक क्लाउड यूज करना उसमें भी मिलेगी. दीज आर फ्यू ऑफ आवर पार्टनरशिप एंड कॉम्पिटेंसीज. We are a Microsoft partner, gold partner for hosting, cloud productivity, mid-market solution provider. We are Microsoft Cloud OS network partner. We are Google Apps authorized reseller for Google Apps. We are Amazon Web Service partner, consulting partner. We are authorized education partner by Microsoft. We are software IBM company partner, and so on. So here is something very interesting for you guys. Here's a profit metrics which our sales team has actually prepared over here on the basis of products which we sell and our partners further resell. इसके अंदर हमने products include किए हैं Office 365, dedicated servers, SSL, VPS, RackNap, SaaS model. Okay, so if you can see हमने prices इसमें mention है. If you can see as a pointer over here, I'm just changing it to a pointer. Okay, so these are the pricing basically. So 1033 का pricing है. Again the quantity, ये realistic figure है जो हमारे partners already earn कर रहे हैं. तो अगर मैं इसको summarize करूं just to take it fast forward, तो हमारा पार्टनर है जो अप्रोक्सीमेटली 9,92,000 रुपीज हर महीने अर्न करते हैं सिर्फ और सिर्फ क्लाउड बेचने में. बिकॉज इट्स अ ह्यूज मार्केट. अभी दिस पार्टनर का जो एग्जांपल लिया, ही इज ओनली एन इंडियन पार्टनर. ठीक है, सो अगेन cloud is the limit for you guys. You can expand anytime, anywhere you want. Okay, so here is a surprise for you guys. Keep your eyes open. So we have an exclusive offer only for today's webinar attendees, where we will give you 70% off on the cloud service. सिर्फ cloud service पे आपको 70% off मिलेगा, and 50% off on dedicated servers, जिसके अंदर हमने दो plans of dedicated server निकाले हैं. अगर आप कोई web hosters हैं तो आई गेस दिस, इससे ज्यादा अच्छा कोई प्लान नहीं हो सकता आपके लिए क्लाउड सर्वर्स पे मूव करने के लिए. वी हैव डेडिकेटेड सर्वर्स विद रैम ऑफ 32 GB, 500 GB बैंडविड्थ एंड 2 into 2 TB ऑन RAID 1, जिसके अंदर आपकी रेप्लिका ऑफ हार्ड ड्राइव रहेगी if it crash as well. And the price is, actual price is 16,000 and we are giving it 8,000. This is only offer is valid only for 48 hours, right? And will be applicable only on first billing. So for further clarifications, on further doubts, on further buying the process, you can contact Suchit. I know many of you know who is Suchit. He's one of our hero in our company, right? So okay, thank you for joining the webinar. Okay, so for any sort of product buying, you can directly contact our sales team and Suchit as well, or you can write us an email or start a live chat on our website. So this is all about what we actually want to say you guys. Now it's the time like we take an open discussion on the same. Okay, so let me move towards the question and see who is asking what questions. Okay, okay, just a sec. Okay, I can see, sir, I can upgrade my shared hosting to a cloud. Satveer Singh is asking, sir, can I upgrade my shared hosting or cloud? Yes, you can do that, Satveer, very easily. You can move directly. Okay, so here is an Hemal Bhatt. What is the difference if we buy from you? So, Hemal, there's no difference. Like if you're talking about public cloud, we are there's no difference buying from us or buying it from Azure or AWS, because we put a layer of management on top of it. The product remains the same, just the layer becomes different. We are already using an AWS directly purchased from AWS. Hemal, I see like you have lot many questions. Why don't you ask the question directly to us? Let me unmute you. Let me unmute you so that you can ask your question. Hi Hemal, can you hear me?
Yeah, can you hear me now?
Yeah, we can hear you. Hemal, क्या आप अपना question पूछ सकते हैं directly, please?
Yeah, my question is, see, we are already using AWS and we have purchased it from Amazon directly.
Okay.
We have given credit card number and they are billing us.
Perfect.
Now, if we buy from you, what will be the difference and how the pricing will work?
Okay, let me pass this question to Munish. Munish, over to you. Can you help Hemal over this question कि उनको क्या difference मिलेगा अगर वो हमसे buy करते हैं और directly AWS से buy करते हैं?
Definitely. Actually, we have some experts in AWS because we are previously hosting service providers. So we have very good technical competencies where if you buy the instance from Amazon, and if you want any mail software installed, or you want control panel installed and you want to manage the instance, then we can give you the management services with the Amazon Web Services. That is the difference you will get, and we have also technical competencies with the Amazon Web Services. So if you want any architecture for your enterprise client, then we can do that for you.
Cool. Thank you, Manish. So we have another question coming from KC Jagdeep. He's asking, how can I join the white label partnership program? Jagdeep, I am just unmuting you from here. So I want you to ask and elaborate your question more on this so that we can answer it very well. Please, Jagdeep, can you hear me?
Yes, Manish. Yes, okay. Actually, I would like to join with this white label partnership program. So my question is almost clear. Then, what are the process? Means what should I do? What is the next step to join with this program?
Yeah, Jagdeep, actually we will send you the process for joining the webinar, joining the Plus One Partner Program after this webinar. So my partner team will help you and guide you from setting the partner program with the ZNet.
Okay. Thank you, Manish. We have a question coming from Ashish Chaudhary. What is the discount offered on the second month onwards on the cloud service? So this discount is only applicable for first month just to taste our services and see. But again, we are very flexible on the discounts. You can contact your sales representative on top of this. We have a question, RackNapp SaaS. Can you explain in detail? The question is coming from Suresh Malaki. Okay, Suresh, I'm unmuting you. If you can just elaborate your question more. Over to you, Suresh. Suresh. Okay, I can't hear. Yeah, Suresh, are you there?
Yeah. Yes, I was open.
Okay. Suresh, can you tell your question, please?
What includes that RackNapp SaaS model exactly? What are the products?
Sure.
How you?
So Suresh has a question ki basically RackNapp, what is the process to sign up for a RackNapp and what are the feasibilities he can play with the RackNapp? Suresh, if you go with a two-tier model, you will be able to sell only those products which ZNet is selling. Okay, not your products, but again in near future we'll be positively integrating those products as well. But again, we sell RackNapp individually as well. If you want to buy a plain RackNapp and want to start your own hosting company or a cloud hosting company, you can directly buy a RackNapp and play with it. Okay, you can go into a website racknap.com for this. So we have a question from Prasad Rajendra Sethi. He's saying, what is the difference from ZNet Cloud product and AWS or other? So I guess if you are talking about on the technical side, Bhupender will be the right person to answer this. Bhupender, can you please?
Yes, the cloud basically is the same. The management part, if we talk about, how reliable the infrastructure is, how you can have a hybrid environment on all those part, ZNet technical team can help you out on that part. Else, the cloud, if you talk about the Amazon services, what they're running in the background is the same thing, like the management stack and the storage stack and other is the compute stack with their upgraded network. But yes, if you go with the ZNet itself, then you will get the more in the technical aspect.
Sure, makes sense. We have a next question coming from Sushant Rika. He's asking, is there any platform that you guys are going to offer, like Supersite offered the reseller club? Sushant, I'm unmuting you. Can you please elaborate your question more? Over to you, Sushant.
Hi everyone. Hi Tanish.
Hi.
Actually, what I was thinking is like if we are getting a platform, if a startup or if a hosting provider,
Okay.
if he wants to expand, okay, so if you guys are giving some platform that is already built up, okay, from your end only,
Okay.
okay, then it will be very easy for us to sell directly.
Cool.
As we were, as I was doing, I was a partner with Reseller Club.
I
Okay.
see, I see. I got your question, Sushant. So I can understand your question better. Sushant, basically, we are already giving the platform which is called a two-tier model, okay, where you get a similar platform which we guys are using for an in-house. What RackNap can actually do for you guys is it can manage sales CRM for you. It can manage a support section for you. It can manage all your product delivery, not only for the domain and hosting. It can deliver your all the cloud services. Either it could be an Office 365, Google Apps, or Azure Pack, or a VPS server, or AWS, or a software. So this will be a bundle product where you can resell further ZNet Live services. But again, I'll be repeating again, if you want a ZNet you want to sell ZNet products, you can use RackNap. If you don't want to sell ZNet products and you want to create your own cloud hybrid infrastructure, you can buy RackNap separately as well. Okay, next question.
Actually, also, Danish, actually, we are also providing the super site like website with, yes, for the partner. So we will give you the ready-made website with all the cloud services, because actually, like this Reseller Club is focusing on the hosting and some cloud VPS and all things. So our primary focus is only on cloud services itself.
Okay, makes sense. Okay, over to, yes, I agree to Sushant. Okay, Casey, Jagdeep, I'm all aware of the technology. Do you think that I can sell ZNet Cloud? So we have a question coming from Casey Jagdeep. He's asking, I am not at all aware of the technologies. Do you think that I can sell a ZNet Cloud and the market make a profit? Of course, Jagdeep, we have a resellers, we have a partners, those who are system integrators, those who are basically, you can say, a hardware resellers, जो hardware बेचते हैं products, right? Servers बेचते हैं, computers बेचते हैं. उन्होंने, we have enabled them also to sell a cloud, because to be very honest, if you don't have any choice to avoid cloud right now, आपके पास कोई और choice नहीं है. If you're not entering into a cloud market, अगर आप उस tradition से बाहर निकल के नहीं आ रहे हैं, so it's my personal point, like you will be very soon out of the business, right? Because you have to move somewhere around the cloud. So yes, you can earn a good profit out of it. So next question is, okay, how to share the multiple MySQL database for ERP across the different VPS or MySQL hosted? Cool. We have a question coming from Sterling Softwares. Okay, he joined it from as a company name. Bhupender, this question is for you. How to share multiple MySQL database for ERP across different VPS and MySQL hosted servers only?
Can you please repeat it again?
Sure. How to share multiple MySQL databases for ERP across different VPS? He wants to ask him.
It's all about the application and the development team they are working about. What we can provide the infrastructure where they can host their MySQL databases easily.
Okay, so they can spread it through multiple platforms as well.
Yes, not an issue, because it's simply a database instance, and from anywhere they can.
Okay. So we have a next question coming from Manish Srivastava. Does it make sense to migrate from a dedicated service to a cloud from a regular web hosting? Bhupender, over to you for this question.
Yes, why not? We can easily move that, because with the cloud, what the benefit we are getting is the redundancy. In the dedicated server, yes, the complete isolation is there, but still you are dependent on a single hardware, right? So if there is any downtime, then your application will go down.
Okay, fine. We have another question coming from Hitrat Mehta. He says, what kind of improvement are coming on trustfee.com for selling domains as a Mac service offer after selling the domain names? मुनीश, I want you to involve into this question. Generally बहुत लोग हैं जो सिर्फ domains पे focus कर रहे हैं, right? Their focus starts from domain and ends on to a shared hosting. Can you elaborate more कि मतलब why they should target onto the bigger things, rest earning only 10 rupees from the domain names, and we know what the competition is around. What competition you have faced in your career path while running a ZNet, and what are the transformation you have taken onto it? Can you please elaborate?
Yes, absolutely. Actually, domain name market is very competitive market. Domain selling market is very competitive market because of very big players also already in market. So that's why actually the domain part is not our core part in our +1 partner program. Yes, the domain will be the part of +1 partner program, but not we are focusing so much. So that's why we have separated the TrustBee brand for the domain reselling. Definitely we are giving the best prices on domain names, but our core focus is on earning the profit for our partners. We are not the transactional player that we are doing transaction kind of thing. We want to give the profit to our partners only.
Cool, makes sense.
That's a whole idea.
Okay, I see. So we have another question coming from Suresh Malage. How you pass margin profit to the partners? So we do.
Actually,
Please.
sorry, can I answer?
Please go ahead.
Yeah, actually we will give you, actually there are two type of partner program we have. First is the +1 partner program, where we will give you the discount on slab basis, and second is on the commission basis. So if you want to only refer services to us, then we have a advisory program where you can advise the ZNet services to your customer, and you will get the commission on that.
Cool. Thank you, Munish. Just few more questions to go. Just couple of questions more. I'm kind of new to this. Will it be a difficult, Abdul Azaz? Abdul, of course not, because we are backing you up for this. Okay, you just need to have a sales pitch with you. Okay, and all the technical knowledge and the complexities we will pass to you, and of course complexities of course not will pass to you, we'll solve it for you, but again all the technical knowledge will pass it to you. It's very easy for you to start. You just need to sign up, but again you need to have a little bit knowledge of an IT background, right? Okay.
Yeah, Danish, actually the Pawan is asking the question regarding the Google Apps. So it's a very interesting question. So I want to answer
sure.
Yeah, I want to answer that question.
Yeah, please.
Actually, like I said earlier, actually, if you sell the product, because in Google Apps you are selling actually the product, so you have to sell the solution to your client. Like you have to provide the personalized services to the client, and you can take the margin from your services only, because in product there is very less margin. Like in Google Apps or Office 365, you will get 10 to 15% max margin on that only. So you have to charge on services basis only. So whether it's a Google Apps or Office 365, you have to bundle the migration training services, or you can bundle your product as well. So that from that only you can get some margin or profitability.
Okay. Thank
you. You don't have to sell any vanilla product for that.
I see. Sorry, Pawan, I missed your question. Okay, we are seeing other questions. Currently, I see domains and MS Office 365. Okay, sir, I'm having a few clients and ready to buy a Google Apps, but they already have seen a less prices on the Big Rock. Okay, see again, Munish, I've already answered your question onto this. You need to sell a solution, don't sell the product, because there's no margins and there's no big game on selling to the products. You'll face competition, you'll face many things across, but sell the solutions. So Munish, I guess we should end up with the webinar. So if you have some specific tip for the audience to give away.
The perfect tip is you have to enter in the cloud market. We will be backing you in any way in terms of marketing, sales, or technical side, or infrastructure side, or management side. We will give you entire thing to you, and you just have to intention to enter in the cloud market only. That's it. After that, we will give you everything you want.
Okay. So we have a last, thank you Munish, we have a last poll for you guys just to answer this poll question, and we'll share the email IDs of the salesperson whom you can contact. Okay, so for further deals. Okay, so here's the last question. Okay, if we find any good question coming out, we'll surely answer that as well. Oh wow, we can see many of them are answering this. Thank you guys. If any of the question is still not answered, we have tried our best to cover everything. You can ask your question, we can do it right now. Dhiren Shah, I've already seen your question, man. I'll answer it right now for you. Just a minute. Okay. We have
actually me and my team also will get in touch after the webinar also. So if you have any question, you can contact our team, and you can post the question on mail or via phone to our sales team, and we will happy to assist you or happy to answer you.
Sure. I'm sharing an email IDs who heads sales over here at ZNet. Okay, he is Suchit, in fact a partner network. Okay, so he is Suchit at znetlive.com. You can just note it down. It's SUCHIT@znetlive.com. I'm answering a question for Dhiren Shah on this, so you can note down the email ID. Okay, I'm sending to all. I'm closing the poll for you guys. Thank you. Okay, and here I share the poll for you. 72% people have answered the poll, and the result is 66% people wants to sell Office 365, and 55% people wants to send Google Apps for work, and 10% of people wants to sell something else. So we can see a huge response coming out for Office 365 and Google Apps. That seems best. Like I guess here is the profit lies for you guys. Okay, so Munish, last question. Okay, so Racknap something like WHMCS. Pawan, you have asked a question, sir. Is Racknap something like WHMCS? Of course, we never compare Racknap with WHMCS. Of course not. Okay, because Racknap is built something to sell cloud services. WHMCS is primarily built to sell domain and hosting services. Still, I don't want to compare all those things. But again, you will find something similar out of it. But still it will help you more in doing the things, because it have an inbuilt CRM system, it has an inbuilt provisioning system, it has an ability to provide you white label support for your partners as well. Okay, so
also actually the special part of RECNAP is the billing and billing framework of the RECNAP, because it's a 100% compliance for India as well as the other countries in terms of billings.
Cool. Thank you guys. Thank you for attending a webinar. We are thankful. We all thank you for coming here and attending the webinar and giving sparing some time for us. This presentation and the video will be available with for you guys day after tomorrow. We'll shoot a mail to you everyone converting this video, and we'll be uploading this video on the YouTube channel of ZNet Live. Still stay tuned, because now onwards we are planning to do a consecutive webinar series where we'll be coming up with few more webinars helping you out on selling the cloud. And this was a very tremendous response from the attendees which we have got, and this is the highest which we have achieved from the past. Thank you guys. Thank you.